Now, over 40% of supply chain practitioners in the country are either incompetent, operating illegally, or unqualified. This is according to the latest data from the Kenya Institute of Supplies Management, KISM, that shows counties are the most affected, with most staff in the procurement departments and fit to hold the positions. The report follows a countrywide compliance check by KISM targeting 109 institutions, where it emerged that 15% of the practitioners were practicing illegally.
The Institute has initiated disciplinary proceedings against 116 practitioners found to be practicing without a license, and the disciplinary committee has determined that 93 cases, amounting to 80% of them, presents a prima facie case for professional misconduct and should proceed for the hearing. We cannot be able to say that the counties are having cases of non-compliance because of ABCD. But I think what we are seeing is an opportunity for us to partner with the counties to build their capacities. We have a mandate on training, and most of them have been cooperative in terms of working closely with the Institute, and we remain available to supporting the county governments, working with the relevant organs such as the Council of Governors, so that then we can be able to build the capacity of county governments and also encourage them to ensure full compliance with the law.
It's a very big opportunity. There are about 33,000 schools in Kenya, most of whom actually do procurement not the right way, and they use people who are not licensed or registered as per se. So what are we doing? We are doing a very intentional partnership with the Ministry of Education, and we'll be meeting the CS at the ministry to just talk about how can we partner together to ensure value for money procurement and professionalism in the 33,000 schools. May not be all of them that can afford a supply chain professional, but we're working through agencies, through other procurement agencies that can actually come together to support these units across Kenya.
Now, the